Welcome back, everyone. Tom here. Thanks for tuning back in. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of the platform, our interactive exercises, which are organized into 5 distinct categories, totaling 21 different exercise types. I've already set up a lesson here for us, so let's kick things off with the list exercises. These are great for organizing and displaying information in a clear and easy to follow manner. You can see here at the top we have some instructions done in simple body text, followed by an alphabetical list here, which displays questions labeled with letters in a clear, organized format. You can view the correct answers privately as the teacher by clicking here, individually, and here collectively for all answers on the slide to help guide discussions. There's also the teacher's notes to help give you suggestions when needed or additional information. Now, these all apply to every exercise type in the platform, and it is only for teachers, mind you. You can also see here the progress indicators that half the class got this correct, and that only 25% of the class got this correct. In the case that we click here, we can then see the answers for our class. And in this case, we gave Amelia partial credit, which is why it is the way it is. Now, moving right along, we've got the bulleted list, which uses bullet points to structure questions, making them easy to read and follow. Next up, we've got the numbered list, which arranges items in a numbered sequence, making it ideal for tasks that require a specific order. And lastly, for this category at least, we have the plain list without labels or markers, perfect for a clean, no frills presentation. Next up, we've got the drag and drop and reordering exercises, which are great for giving some interaction to our lessons by having students categorize or match the items. First here we have the reorder list, as you can see, which allows students to rearrange items into the correct order, like steps in a process, simply just clicking and dragging them wherever we need it to go. Next up, we have the match 2 columns exercise, which allows students to match vocabulary items, for example, with their definitions. Following this, we've got the match 2 lists variation, which involves linking related items from 2 separate lists for deeper connections. Next up, we've got the match 3 column variation, which is a great way to link concepts across 3 columns for more complex relationships. Things are locked into place when they are dropped, for example, as you can see here. And lastly, for this category at least, we have the categorize the expressions, where students can sort words or phrases into their respective categories to help reinforce understanding. And then as you slide down, here you go. Good to go. Moving right along, we've got the gapped exercises, which are a great way to test comprehension and fill in the blanks. Here we have an article where students fill in gaps in a text or article. Again, we can see the correct answer as the student won't be affected, and then we can input our answer. After this, we have the complete the definitions exercise, where students match terms with their definitions. Then we can drag and drop this into place or type it if that's what we want to do. After this, we've got the dialogue completion, which has students fill in the blanks in a conversation, for example. We've got the expression completion, where students complete phrases or idiomatic expressions. And finally, for this category, we have simple gapped sentences where students fill in the blanks within the sentence. Next up, we've got the checkbox exercises, which are perfect for gauging understanding through checklists or simple assessments. First up, we have here the box list. That's a single column list with checkboxes for ticking off items that we have to do. Next up is the two-column variation of this, where students can compare or contrast items or check off tasks on a to-do list. And finally, there's the multiple choice, where students can select the correct answer from a list of options. And also see what the correct answer should be, individually and collectively, like I mentioned previously. And finally, we've got labeling exercises. While not all of them have been implemented yet, we do have this labeling the pictures, where students can label images, like here in the example, identifying different modes of transportation. You can, again, type the answer if that is the case, or we can also drag and drop it into place. Soon we'll introduce Label the Picture, which will allow students to label parts of a schematic or diagram, like machine components or anatomical features in biology. So stay tuned for that. This wraps up our quick look at the interactive exercises in Livetea.ch, which are designed to bring lessons to life and make learning much more dynamic. So, are you ready to make your lessons more engaging and interactive? Let's get started.